Hey everybody, thanks for coming and visiting my Patreon page. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Joel LaViolette and I live here in Austin, Texas. And I'm primarily an Mbira and a Matepe player. Um, and so that's what this page is all about. This page is about me teaching Matepe music, Mbira music, and guitar, uh, styles of Zimbabwean style music on the guitar and other instruments. Um, Basically, just kind of like everything surrounding that music. And hopefully, also will become a place that's kind of a community of people internationally who are playing this music to come and learn and share as well. Um, Little bit about me, I started playing the Mbira in 1994, I believe. I was first exposed to it in New Mexico and started playing with Dan Pauly out there. And from that, I started traveling around the United States, just kind of learning from everybody I could that way. And then I ended up moving to Zimbabwe first in 1998 was when I first went. And I've been there several times since then. And I lived there for a while and found my primary teacher, Newton Guada, also known as Matemai. Matemai is his totem name. So the vast majority of my learning comes from Matemai, even though I've studied with a lot of other people in Zimbabwe like Sekuru Chigamba and Gadadziva and uh, Garikai and several other Mbira players, but Matemai is my primary Mbira teacher. During that trip in 1999, I started really falling in love with the Matepe music, and I met up with Sekuru Chaka Chawasarira, who started teaching me Matepe. And so Chawasarira is my primary Matepe teacher. So the Matepe music that I teach, most of it, this is Matepe. Most of it comes from him. Even though in the last few years I've been going out to Nyamapanda and studying with the Zonke family, with Matomate. Zonke is one of my other main teachers there. So, what I really pride myself on in teaching is that I really work to uh, stay true to what I've been taught, and I just want to teach you what I've been taught and do my best to not kind of impose my own um, biases or filters on that learning. Um, and yeah, so there's that. I speak Shona, so I also like to try and teach as much as I can around the Shona language within this music. And I think I offer something special in that as an American, um, I have kind of experienced things from that American perspective. So a lot of these cultural things and a lot of these language things, my teaching is coming from that American perspective. So it gives maybe a little, maybe it's a little easier for Westerners to kind of learn from me in that way. Um, yeah, that's really what it's about. I'm just here to share this music, and I love so much seeing all y'all communicating and commenting, and it's just been a really great time, and I look forward to more. So take a look around, and I hope you decide to join. Bye.